Such a one preaches and sermonizes, but has a false and spiteful heart. Such a one accuses others of faults he won't correct in himself. Such a one strikes worse than a serpent while locking up his own heart. Such a one wears humble clothes but has a treacherous will. Such a one won't forgive your wrongs without throwing his own in the bargain. Such a one complains and argues about things he's got no right to. Such a one acts like a fool while talking so reasonably. Such a one sows his grain so well but never bothers to harvest it. Such a one has a noble, strong body, but absolutely no courage. Such a one abandons his friends and then wonders why he's alone. Such a one promises, but waits for you to fail. Such a one holds back what he barely gives. Such a one takes all your service and rewards you like dirt. Such a one thinks he's got a good thing going, but it all goes wrong. Such a one spurs his horse too fast and rides it straight into the ground. Such a one thinks he'll do it right now, but his hope is pure fantasy. Such a one seems to take his time because he's bungled everything anyway. Wants the crown of an empire, but can't defend the faith. And the Pope, between 9 and noon, he's fast asleep against the Saracen hordes. I don't see a single baron standing up. They've got it in for anyone who dares to remind them. Jesus Christ wore a crown of thorns to save the people. The Pope can't even be bothered with his own tomb. The Antichrist will be here any minute. So many treacherous people around, but you know how it is. You wait for the rain when it starts to thunder.